Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting tech news to dive into. Google's next-generation smartphone, the Pixel 10, has just been spotted out in the real world, and the details we're learning from this leak are giving us a pretty good idea of what to expect. Over the weekend, the Pixel 10 Pro, or possibly the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, was seen being filmed in public. And this wasn't some blurry photo taken from a distance. It was clearly being recorded on a beach in Vancouver, Canada, for what looks like an official Google promo ad. It seems like Google is already preparing to push the Pixel 10 into the spotlight, and they're not even trying to keep it a secret this time. Even more interesting, the person who stumbled onto the shoot actually managed to get a look at the storyboard, the visual plan that outlines each scene in the ad. That gave away even more clues about what Google is planning with this release. One of the standout features that's already generating a lot of buzz is something called AdMe. This is an all-new AI-powered camera feature that can do something pretty impressive. It allows users to add people into a photo who weren't actually there when it was taken. Think about that. Imagine you're taking a group photo, and you're the one holding the phone. With AdMe, you can insert yourself into the final picture as if you were in it from the beginning. It's like Google's AI is working behind the scenes to make sure no one gets left out of special moments. It's especially great for family gatherings or group shots where someone always ends up being the photographer. Now let's talk about how the Pixel 10 looks. From the leaked footage, it seems that Google is continuing with the updated camera design we saw recently. The Pixel 10 has a sleek, black oval-shaped camera module, and around that is a slightly larger oval bump that houses the LED flash. While it's a shift from the classic horizontal bar we've seen in earlier models, it still keeps that unique Pixel style we recognize. In terms of colors, Google is clearly putting more effort into giving us fresh and exciting options this year. The regular Pixel 10 will reportedly come in Obsidian, which is a glossy black, Blue Iris, a bluish-purple tone, and Limoncello, a bright, lemony yellow. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pro XL are expected to be available in Obsidian, green, sterling, a smooth gray, and porcelain, a clean white finish. The Blue Iris color really stood out in the leaked footage. It looks stylish and modern and could be a favorite for those who like phones with a bit of personality. As for the launch, if we look at Google's recent release pattern, we might be getting this phone sooner than expected. Normally, Pixel phones arrive around October. But last year, the Pixel 9 series launched earlier than usual, in mid-August. And if this year follows the same trend, we could be seeing the Pixel 10 series launch around mid-August 2025. That's just about 3 months away, so if you're thinking about getting a new phone soon, it might be worth waiting a little longer. So, what do you think? The Pixel 10 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. With innovative features like AdMe and a refreshed design, it looks like Google is really stepping up their game to stand out in a competitive market. If you're excited about the Pixel 10, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We'd love to hear what you think about the new AdMe feature. Is it a fun gimmick or a real game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video.